Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic regarding this book, and you know what, this video including some topic related this book. And yesterday I purchased on Meesho this book, and yesterday I read some different type of chapter in this book. And you know what, this book regarding only some different type chapter related our life, and this different type of goals or some whatever some topic, and including in this different type of some related goal. Okay, so Acharya Prashant, this is the author name. Okay, Acharya Prashant, and the topic is true without apology. That means I can say meaning in Marathi. Okay, uh, true without apology, that means maafi shivai satya. So in this video I'm going to share with you the book related Acharya Prashant, and this is some lot of lesson to teach in this book. Okay, so regarding this book I will share with you some topic. Okay, so first topic is how to enjoy your life, how to stop the painful story in your life, to achieve some goal, to achieve something new in your life. So that is the important of only one thing, they are patience, because patience is the most important key to get something. If you want to become successful in your life, if you want to get achieve something in your life, if you want. Okay, so there's some topic including this book I literally like for this some topic that can help me to develop or boost my confidence or something. Just I will try to teach in this book. Okay, so first topic is it, including this book, how to enjoy life, how to enjoy life to without painful story. Because you know what, everyone say okay, I don't enjoy my life, I enjoy only for my story painful, my dream is not came in my life, and some lot of reason they are say. But everyone has tell, but someone they can understand, my life is literally growable, my life is literally happiness, I feel happiness, I never give up in my dreams or something. But they can try to be understand ourselves, because they want to achieve something in your life. And you know what, life is some painful story, including some painful story or some stable or some happiness or everything including our life. So that is not stable, that is not constant, right? It can including some different type of messages in our life, right? So how to teach this different type of knowledge related English or some book or some everything. So some topic I like in this book I read yesterday, and some story, some lesson you can. So in my opinion, you can try to purchase this book, because you know what, Acharya Prashant is the it is author in the book. Okay, so in my opinion, every person say I am I am the person who every day feel a painful story or something. But you know what, you need some messages, you need something different type of logical enjoyment in your life, right? So try to enjoy life, try to be something learn every single day, that is our work. And Acharya Prashant, those person, some people or some person, they every time say life is full enjoyable, but this is our work, without feel pain or without uh failure or something, life is not enjoyable, right? So that is the part of enjoyable life, right? So that is the main part including this book. Okay, so you can try to buy this book and learn something new in your life. Okay, so you are new my channel, this video watch very first time, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching this video.